Hi, I'm Carolyn Forster, and today I'm going to be talking to you about how to make quite a simple block using jelly roll scraps. And the jelly roll scraps, that means jelly rolls, so it's 2.5 inch wide strips of fabric. The quilt that you can see behind me, it's got one fabric as the background, so that's the cream fabric with those fun little dots and birds, and that's a consistent fabric throughout the whole quilt. Get a real good press under the hot iron, and then you're ready to continue on making more of these scrap blocks. So if you're going to make lots and lots, I tend to make lots of them mindlessly, obviously as this is illustrated, and then once I have a few to play with, I will then have a play. The quilt behind me, I've sort of gone for some colours in some rows, and then depending on how many blocks I've got. But really you can make it as messy or as controlled as you like.